Hey, so today I'm going to be showing you 3 ways that I style my own turban. Okay, welcome again. What you want to do is put your edges under control if you need to. And yes, that is my turban. You want to wear it over your head like a turban, and you want to tuck it in behind just by a little bit and then start wrapping it over your head, making sure that the stitch line is not going to be visible. So what you want to do now is wrap it over your head the first time, arranging it as you go, and then you want to wrap it over your head the second time, and it's not going to go all around the third time. So what you want to do this time is just tuck in the excess behind you and start to arrange it, tuck it in where you should. Just do what you should. Just do what you should as you like it. Push it back if you need to. And yeah, you did it. So well done. Let's see another way that we could style it. What you want to do is wear it like you did before and tuck it in behind like you did before. But this time you want to grab the midpoint of your turban and you want to put your hand into it and then wear it over your head again. Yes, you wear it over your head again like a cap. Yes, and then you want to keep setting it as you go. And set it in place. No, that isn't what you want. You want to push the band forward and then just keep arranging it until you like what you see. And if you haven't seen a tutorial on how to make your turban yourself, I'll leave a link in the description box and you should totally check that out. It's quick and really easy to make. So just keep arranging that until you like what it looks like in the end. And yes, well done again. So you should be proud of yourself. And this is my own personal favorite. What you want to do is wear it as you always have and then tuck it in behind a little bit. And now you want to twist it. Like twist it and roll it and then wrap it over your head the first time. Keep on twisting and twisting and twisting and then wrap it over your head the second time and then tuck it in at the side. And yeah, just adjust it as you go. And yes, that's about it. That's it. 3 ways that you can style your turban. I hope that you like it. Alright, darlings, that will be it for today. Leave a comment below telling me what your favorite style of tying your turban is. And I should also mention that there's also a couple of things that you can do with your turban. You could beat it, you could wear a rose or something. I would just rather have mine plain, so there's no limit to what you can do with yours. And you can follow my Instagram page and like my Facebook page. That will be really nice. And don't forget to subscribe. Like, you want to subscribe, so do that already, because I'm going to be seeing you next week with another video on how to make something other than a turban. So until I see you again, my name is Bisola Widin and I am your dressmaker. So you stay safe. Bye.